So in this tutorial you learn how to install and use the AI Mod Assistant for mod resources and get answers about how to mod Cyberpunk 2077. After you clone the Github repository, you have to use this on Windows PowerShell. You have to get Ollama on your local machine, also Python 3, 3, 3.10 version, and Beautiful Soup. You can pip install or you can download the hard file to get Beautiful Soup package. So after you install the requirements, you can open the folder that you clone, the GitHub repository that you clone on the VS Code or any other text editor. This is the main function of the AI model. It's the AI mod assist.py that you run the user interface. So this file, llama3.cyberpunk2077 mod assistant file, is the file that Llama 3 will use to build the custom AI model. Once that you have the repository and you have all the requirements, just Python AI mod assist.py to compile the main user interface. So this is the PowerShell interface. You can see here that the application is running with privileges. Before the Windows PowerShell open, it will ask to permission to open with administrative privileges. Once that you respond OK, you can select these 5 options. So the first option that you will use is to create the AI model. So 1, enter. After this, the Ollama that you have already installed, you create the custom AI model based on Llama 3. After you create the Llama 3 assistant, you can choose for start. The first process can take longer because it will download the Llama 3 if you don't have installed on your machine. So after it's started, you can send messages for the mod assistant. So I can ask, who are you? On the default assistant configuration, it implements with the compiled scripts, so it has data about red script, have a visual overview of the game already compiled, so all the classes and all the structure of the Cyberpunk 2077 it's already read for the assistant. It already have documentation about modding and modding tools. It read the native DB with all classes and functions and the relationships on the game classes and the main structure of the game, and have the online encyclopedia about Cyberpunk 2077. And after this, you can ask an other message and get what you configured the assistant to do. So to leave to off the assistant or leave or just close this conversation, you can /buy. So you close the assistant and you return to main user interface of AI Mod Assistant. So here you can start again, or you can go to Github Repository. You will open in your browser the Github Repository. You can see the system info on 4 option. So I have Python 3.10, Ollama. The game that we are modding is Cyberpunk 2077, and the AI model that it's running is Llama 3 based Llama 3 model. So this Llama 3 Cyberpunk 2000 Mod Assistant file is the file that Ollama 3 will use to configure and set parameters on the AI assistant model. So here you can see that I set default links and descriptions to the links that the AI will read and related to it. But you can customize this before you create your model. It's already on the GitHub repository a link to Llama documentation about this type of coding. So once you have the knowledge on how to implement this template and the parameters of the AI model, you can get links and descriptions for the specific case that you want to use your AI assistant. So it's this link underline instruction.py. It's a tool that you can use to get links of get sub pages about the link that you add in this code. So on the default of the AI model repository, you have wiki.redmodding.org that have a lot of documentation about Cyberpunk 2077 modding. Once that you set this, you can set max links. So this link extraction.py will crawl in this link and get 100 links of this HTTPS site. So in this links.txt you have all the links that you can copy and paste it on the model file and set your data to the specific use of this AI tool.